Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm still in St. Pete Beach actually, but I'm gonna be heading over to Clearwater later today because we are doing a regatta there this week. Racing starts tomorrow, so today we're heading over to do registration and some practice racing. Last couple days I've been really resting a lot, so I'm gonna do a quick little beach stretch activation mobility workout, maybe with some sprints, just to get my body moving again after 2 days of resting basically. And then after that I'm gonna go shower, get some breakfast, and head up to Clearwater. I'm gonna try to be there by like 10 a.m. for an 11 a.m. launch to get on the water. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm all done and gonna go shower at the yacht club and make some breakfast and then head to Clearwater. Okay, so one of the things I always try to do in the morning is drink at least this, either like right after I wake up or in the couple hours after I wake up. So I'm about halfway through it right now. So I drank like 16 ounces before working out, and now I'm gonna have the other 16 ounces. So yeah, stay hydrated. So yeah, let's head up to Clearwater. Okay, so we're at the sailing center and I'm gonna go check in. Evan's making fun of me vlogging. Say hi! Gotta put my mask on. Wanna help me vlog? Thanks, Evan. Evan's my new cameraman. Welcome to Clearwater!
Yes. You're gonna pay $20 and get your flag when they arrive.
Stay hydrated. Beanie, I'm gonna need one of these this week. It's been cold.
Where are you from?
I'm from San Francisco.
San Francisco.
Yeah.
Welcome.
You don't mind if I do? Free snacks?
Okay,
okay. I'm a tourist now, so you know.
That's right.
I'll give it to my mom. Okay, we were able to relatively successfully register. Evan can figure out how to pay, but we'll be back later. So we're gonna meet up with the rest of the team and go get a session on the water. So This is Sand Key Park, which is where the kites are gonna be launching for this event. And it's a super nice big beach and just launching over this little sand dune right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna check the wind really quickly and decide what kite I'm gonna take out for our practice races and for our first little session here. Still not really sure what kite size to take. I'm thinking 15 probably, since we're gonna be doing like short course practice races, but we'll see what the boys are taking and then decide.
I mean, they were trying to be
So as I'm getting ready, I'm gonna try to drink another one of these before I actually get out on the water. Okay, I'm gonna start changing.
Wet and cold now.
I also wanted to show you guys this. I thought this was really cool. It's called the surf straw, and it's a little pouch of water that is 10 ounces big that you can just stick in your wetsuit right here. So then you can stay hydrated during your session. So yeah, it's really cool. There's even a little tab, I don't know if you can see that, where you can choose whether it's like open or closed, and then you just suck out of the straw here. So yeah, I've been using this basically for the past week, and I really liked it. It just helps me stay hydrated on the water, which is super nice because that's not always easy to do. And yeah, I just stick it in my wetsuit here. It's not like super big, it's pretty small. I don't know if you can, like, it definitely sticks out a little bit, but makes you drink water because then you don't want it to be too big right here. So yeah, I'm just about ready, and I'm gonna switch to the GoPro now, start the music, and let's get out there. Oh my god, okay. I have not been that cold in a very long time. I thought it was gonna be like it was in St. Pete, like, you know, between 60 and 70 degrees, 60 degree water temperature probably. But man, it was so cold, and I thought, like, I just went out in my shorty because I was like, yeah, I'll be cold, but you know, not that bad. I could not even think straight because I was just so cold the whole time. I felt like I was basically kiting at Chrissy in a shorty, which was just not smart. So anyways, I have a 5'3" wetsuit actually that I'm just gonna start wearing. So yeah, that's that. It wasn't a great session. I mean, there was so much seaweed everywhere that it was hard to get a proper lineup, but we still did a few practice races, so that was good. But I couldn't even focus on anything because I was just so cold the whole time. So anyways, yeah, now I'm about to check into my Airbnb and just chill for the rest of the day. I might go for a bike ride later. But yeah, so that's kind of how like a practice day is. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and make sure you like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye!